इसको यहाँ पे पॉज कर देना एक बार।
Hello students, welcome to RCI Education Hub online classes. We are continue chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. Today we are continue exercise 9.1, question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the some point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. First of all, we draw a diagram. The angle of elevation from the top of the pedestal, from the top of the statue is 60 degree, and the angle of elevation from the top of the pedestal is 40 degree. This is pedestal. Let the height of pedestal is h meter, and the height of statue is given 1.6 meter, and the total height BD is 1.6 plus h meter. Let AB is x meter, base is x meter. Let BC is equal to h meter be the height of the pedestal, and CD 1.6, CD is 1.6 meter be the height of the statue, and AB is equal to x meter. Then height BD is equal to 1.6 plus h meter. BD is equal to 1.6 plus h meter. AB equal to x meter. In right triangle ABC, tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan 45 degree perpendicular upon base. Put the value of perpendicular and base BC upon AB is equal to h upon x. Put the value of tan 45 1 upon 1 is equal to h upon x. After that, cross multiplication, x equal to h. Say equation first. After that, in right triangle ABD, perpendicular upon base, and angle is 60 degree. Perpendicular base 10 में होता है and angle 60 है, तो tan 60 perpendicular upon base. BD upon AB, perpendicular BD है और base AB. Put the value of BD and AB 1.6 plus h upon x. Put the value of tan 60 degree. Root 3 is equal to 1.6 plus h upon x. Cross multiplication, root 3x is equal to 1.6 plus h. Say equation second. Now put the value of x from equation first to in equation second. First equation में से x की वैल्यू सेकंड में पुट करने पर root 3h is equal to 1.6 plus h. प्लस h को इधर ट्रांसफर करेंगे, माइनस का हो जाएगा, तो 1.6 is equal to root 3h minus h. इसमें h कॉमन लेंगे, h कॉमन लेने पर root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. then h equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. अब डिवाइड में root 3 minus 1 है, तो अब इसका क्या करेंगे, रेशनलाइजेशन. then doing rationalization. After that, doing rationalization, 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसके अपोजिट से root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. then 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon में, इसमें हम फॉर्मूले यूज करेंगे a plus b a minus b. a plus b a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here value of a is equal to root 3 and b is equal to 1. Then root 3 square minus 1 square. Then h equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3 एंड 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 3 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 1.6 रूट 3 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2. 1.6 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2, 0.8. 1.6 में 2 का डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 0.8. h इक्वल टू 0.8 ब्रैकेट रूट 3 प्लस 1 मीटर आंसर. Hence height of the pedestal is equal to 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1 meter answer. After that, question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. First of all, we draw diagram. Suppose height of building is h meter and this is height of tower given BC 50 meter. Then from the top of the tower and foot of the building is angle of elevation is 60 degree and from the top of the building and foot of the tower the angle elevation is 30 degree. Let AB is base is x meter. Let AD is equal to h meter be the height of the building. AB is equal to x meter. In right triangle ABC, perpendicular upon base and angle is 60 degree. Then perpendicular upon base is tan and angle is 60 degree, tan 60. We take tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base BC upon AB. Put the value of BC and AB 50 upon x. Put the value of tan 60 degree. Root 3 is equal to 50 upon x. Doing cross multiplication. Then x equal to 50 upon root 3. अब डिवाइड में हमारे पास क्या आ गया रूट 3. Then doing rationalization. रेशनलाइजेशन में क्या करते हैं हम रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और रूट 3 से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. 50 अपॉन रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई रूट 3 अपॉन रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू 50 रूट 3 अपॉन 3 से इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. Also in right triangle ABD, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular or base and angle is 30 degree, tan 30. Tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. AD upon AB, put the value of AD upon AB, h upon x. Put the value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 is equal to h upon x. Then cross multiplication x is equal to h root 3. Say equation second. Put the value of x from equation second to in equation first. Second से x की वैल्यू फर्स्ट में पुट करने पर h रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू 50 रूट 3 अपॉन 3. जो चीज मल्टीप्लाई में होती है वो किस में आ जाएगी डिवाइड में. देन h इक्वल टू 50 रूट 3 अपॉन 3 मल्टीप्लाई रूट 3. रूट 3 से रूट 3 कैंसिल. देन 50 अपॉन 3, 50 में 3 का डिवाइड करेंगे. देन 16 2 अपॉन 3 मीटर. हैंस द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज 16 2 अपॉन 3 मीटर. आंसर. आफ्टर दैट आपको जो होमवर्क में क्वेश्चंस करने हैं एक्सरसाइज 9.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट ऑन द ग्राउंड द एंगल्स ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द बॉटम एंड द टॉप ऑफ ए ट्रांसमिशन टावर फिक्स एट द टॉप ऑफ ए 20 meter height building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Next question number 10 is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. Thank you.